Big news here, Shiba Inu. SHIB now accepted as payment for Swedish sports cars details. Shiba Inu continues to amaze me with the fact that there are partnerships, growing their base, and continue to push forward. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, SHIB holders can now use their assets to buy hypercars through crypto payments through the payment processor BitPay. Now, the hypercars are luxury cars brands from the Swedish manufacturer of a high performance sports cars of this particular Automotive AB. Now, save and use your crypto for big purchases, even using a luxury exclusive automotive group. This was actually tweeted out on November 30th, 2022. So the most inexpensive of these Swedish automobiles cost $1.9 million, while costlier ones may go for as much as $3 million before the customizing, okay? Now, before or because luxury cars are highly customized, delivery takes 1 to 2 years after the order has been placed. Just to understand that it does take time. BitPay announced in a recent tweet that it's now facilitates cryptocurrency purchase of luxury hypercars in collaboration with a luxury exclusive automotive group, EAG, an Ashburn-based luxury car dealership. So SHIB does it again. SHIB payment gaining traction of this partnership with the luxury manufacturer. And I think other ones will follow here. You see cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others support BitPay, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, maybe a Dogecoin can get into this. But this is another domino effect that Shiba Inu is doing behind the scenes, partnerships, and now you can use your SHIB for luxury motor vehicles. This is awesome. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.